Hi friends, it's your favorite scientist, Scientist Charise here, and in today's video, we are going to take a special request from one of my really good friends, Ella, who lives in Sacramento, California. Ella, what request do you have for Scientist Charise today?
Hi Scientist Charise, I want to make my teacher something special for being such a great teacher. Can you show me how to make an art project out of bubbles? I love bubbles.
That's wonderful. I love bubbles too. Let's go ahead and jump right in. First, I think I'm missing something. My lab coat. That looks great. Okay, now we can get started. When we do this experiment, we're gonna need a couple different pieces of paper because you don't know if you mess up and you wanna start again, or maybe you wanna make more than one. So over here, I have several different pieces of paper and we're gonna do work on one of them today, but just have extras just in case. On the other side over here, we have several different colored bowls, and I like the different sizes, and I'll show you why later. When we make our bubbles and we put them on our paper, we're gonna want them to be different sizes and different colors so that we can really see them and they can stand out. We have our three primary colors, and our three primary colors are red, yellow, and blue. And with those three primary colors, we can make the other colors of the rainbow, which is orange, green, and purple. So we're gonna make lots of colors today. In these bowls, I'm gonna have yellow in the yellow, blue in the blue. This is actually a pink bowl, but I'm gonna put red in that one. And then this one is purple, and we have orange. So those are the colors we're gonna use today. We're gonna mix them up and we're gonna make some art today. Now let's get started. For our yellow, we're gonna wanna put quite a bit of paint color in so that we can really see the colors. So this is the amount that we put as far as the bubble solution, and we do want quite a bit in there, and you might need to add some water or some actual Dawn dish soap to it if we need to make it more soapy. So we're gonna add quite a bit of yellow in here. And I have our mixing sticks, and we're gonna mix it up. We're gonna do this process to all of these bowls and then we'll be right back, okay? This is our special guar gum bubble recipe, and you can find the link up here to the video on how to make these great super bubbles. We're gonna be using this today to make some of our colorful bubbles for our art project. So let's start with our piece of paper. And we're gonna start making bubbles. So we're gonna start with our yellow. This is really yellow. You can really see the yellow color in our bubbles. And we're gonna get a straw. We're gonna stick our straw in here and we're gonna make some cool bubbles to where it gets up to the top rim of our whatever the bubbles are gonna be in. So because we're using a bowl right now, we're gonna fill it all the way up to the top. Something like that. Then you're gonna take your piece of paper and you're gonna press it all the way down on the top of your bowl so that it makes a nice circle. It'll look something like that. That's our yellow bubble. Now let's try a different color. And that's the reason why I like the different sizes, because then you'll get different size bubbles on your paper. So now we're gonna try the red. There's our red bubble. Let's try blue. Blue is one of my favorite colors. Wow, look at that. Let's do orange. That's turning out really cool. What about purple? Well, there you have it, friends, some bubble art for you and some cool stuff you can do to make it a really cool card or a gift for one of your friends or for your favorite teacher or for one of your favorite students. I had a great time with you guys today. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and stick around for any other really fun videos that Science Alliance loves to do with you. Bye, everyone.